Understanding the 5 stages of renovation. Renovation can often be an exciting yet daunting task as it involves several steps and a significant investment of time and resources. Suppose you're planning to renovate your home or build a new one. In that case, it's essential to understand the 5 stages of renovation to ensure that the construction process runs smoothly and efficiently. This post will take a closer look at the 5 stages and what they entail, giving you a clear picture of what you can expect when undergoing a renovation project. Planning stage. The planning phase is the first stage of any renovation project. This stage involves assessing the existing space, evaluating the scope of the work, and developing a comprehensive plan that covers all aspects of the renovation project. It is also critical to set a budget, identify necessary permits, and engage with a skilled contractor. During this stage, you'll work with professionals who will help you draft a realistic plan that meets your needs and expectations while staying within your budget. Demolition stage. After you've created a solid plan, the next stage is demolition, which involves tearing down or removing the existing structures, materials, and surfaces that will be replaced or reconfigured. In this stage, it's essential to work with an expert contractor to ensure that the demolition process is done safely and efficiently. This stage sets the foundation for the rest of the renovation process. Structural work stage. Once demolition has taken place, the next step is to work on the structure. If you're adding new walls, electrical, or plumbing systems, this stage of the renovation is where you can expect to see the most significant change. This stage requires close attention to detail to ensure that the structure's foundation and framing structure is properly installed as required by local building codes. Mechanical work stage. The mechanical work stage focuses on the installation of HVAC, electrical, and plumbing systems. In this stage, the right experts should be engaged when setting up these systems, as they require specialized skills and knowledge to function optimally. Proper installation will ensure that your home or building has working systems that are energy efficient and up to date. Finishing stage. The last stage is the finishing stage. During this stage, the final touches are added, including drywall installation, painting, tiling floors, and any other specific design elements. The finishing stage is all about turning your renovation vision into a reality. During this stage, you should be very involved to ensure that the final product matches your expectations and vision. Undertaking a renovation can be a demanding yet rewarding experience if done right. Understanding the 5 renovation stages will help you plan better, manage your resources, and ensure a successful renovation project. Working with skilled and experienced contractors is critical at each stage of the process, as they provide valuable insights and expertise. With a solid plan in place, your renovation project will certainly be successful, on time, and within budget. Thanks for watching.